Hi, everyone. Today, I'll guide you through installing the Ubuntu operating system on a virtual machine. Create a virtual machine. Choose an empty hard disk. Since I have multiple versions of Ubuntu virtual machines, here I append version numbers at the end for differentiation. Due to the abundance of data on both my C and D drives, here I change the storage location to the drive. It's also recommended not to store it on the C drive. Here, I set it to 100 gigabytes due to the requirements of my project. If it's just for exploratory purposes, 20 gigabytes would be sufficient. The processor settings can remain unchanged. In my case, it's based on project requirements. Here, we import the downloaded ISO image file. Version 22 allows direct clipboard sharing between Windows and the virtual machine. Here, I choose version 22 without the need to switch using Ctrl+Alt and then paste. Once created, we can proceed to start the virtual machine. This step may take a little longer. Select language. Here, type on the keyboard to ensure the input is correct. If not, make adjustments. The response here is a bit slow. Here, you can customize the settings. But pay attention to your computer's name. This is the computer name you'll use to connect via SSH. Perform software updates.